For the fall and Thanksgiving season, it was all about the pumpkin and the spice. But now that Thanksgiving is over and we are heading into the winter and the Christmas season, you guys, let's bring on the chocolate and the peppermint. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And since you're joining me, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And please also do me the honor of giving this video a like and a share. And speaking of video to you guys, today it is all about the Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. We're going to make some of this right now. What better way to kick off the season but with a delicious peppermint and chocolate hot drink. So let's get right into it. The first thing that we need to do is to make the syrups for this recipe. Now, there's 2 syrups that this recipe calls for, but today, instead of using a mocha syrup, I am just going to use straight cocoa powder. But then the second syrup, you guys, I'm actually using a peppermint syrup. So join me over at the stove, and I will show you how to put this together. To make this peppermint syrup, we are going to start with our sweetener. Then to our pot, we're going to add some water. Give this a mix. Turn on the flame to medium-high and let this come to a boil. And then when it comes to a boil, give it a mix, turn it down until all the sweetener has dissolved. Okay, this has come to a boil. Let's turn it down and continue to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. And this syrup is ready. All we need to do at this point is to turn off the flame, put in our peppermint extract, mix this together, let it cool, and then we are going to bottle this. Okay, this syrup has cooled down. So what we're gonna do is bottle it. Put it into one of your favorite dispensers. Put the spout on it. And now this is ready when you are. For this Starbucks Peppermint Mocha, we are going to add some chocolate powder, then some peppermint syrup, followed by our coffee. Let's go ahead and give this a mix to make sure that this chocolate is well incorporated. And then to that, we are going to add our unsweetened almond milk, which we are going to froth. And this has been steamed in the microwave. Okay, this is ready. I tell you guys, frothing your milk just brings your coffee recipe to an all new level. Look at this. Go ahead and just add that in. And because we are going to make this our own kind of special, we are going to shave some dark chocolate on top. And it's done. Our Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. Okay, everyone. Time to give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. To say that this makes me happy is an understatement. This is so good, you guys. We have the flavors of the peppermint, we've got the flavors of the chocolate, and we've got the flavors of the coffee. I tell you, you can just have a normal flavored coffee, or if you want to use this as an alternative to a dessert, you can do exactly that. Just add a little bit more sweet to it if that is what you desire. Add some more chocolate to it, sit back and relax and enjoy life. This is so delicious, you guys. Give it a try. And when you do, please do leave in the comments that you did and just how wonderful this is. And also remember to give this video a like and a share. And oh, one other note that I want to share with you guys. Please do make this ahead of time, because I can just tell just by how good this peppermint syrup is, I am going to be using this a lot throughout the season. It is super simple, you guys. You take the recipe for a simple syrup, which is nothing more than water and a sweetener. I use allulose because I seem to get very consistent results from using allulose. It does not revert back to crystals. So allulose is what I use. And instead of putting vanilla extract in it, I put peppermint extract in it, you guys. And there you have it, your peppermint syrup. And the same thing with the mocha syrup. Only reason why I use the straight cocoa powder instead of a mocha syrup is because, true confession, I ran out of allulose, so I could not make the syrup. But I definitely will be doing that as well. But again, you guys, it is super simple. Do this in advance, so that way when you get the inkling to have a peppermint mocha, save money, keep it low carb, you can do exactly that. Thank you guys so much. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit by 50. Enjoy.